welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphones. We know the prices and the latest features, and that's good news. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra will not arrive before January 2024, but we already have an idea of the prices. The Samsung Galaxy S24 is revealing itself a little more every day. Multiple leaks have already informed us about their technical characteristics. All that was missing was the prices of the smartphones to be complete. Now let's talk about Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphones prices. According to the Korean media, Hankyung corrects this oversight. According to a well-known informant, the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra will not increase their prices. Samsung will keep the same prices as for the Galaxy S23 lineup. In other words, the Galaxy S24 will be sold at $799. The Galaxy S24 Plus will be priced at $999. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be priced $1,199 respectively. These are prices for basic configuration models. It should also be noted that they do not take VAT into account. Hopefully, Samsung also apply this policy worldwide. An increase in technical characteristics. In any case, if it is true, it is good news, especially if we take into account the increase in technical characteristics of the Samsung Galaxy S24 model. Several pieces of information have already leaked, particularly on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It would run with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It is the only Galaxy S24 lineup model that would accommodate this processor in Europe. You will have to settle for an Exynos 2400 for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus models. Another new feature is the brightness of its display, which would rise to 2600 nits peak brightness. Its camera would consist of a 200 megapixel Sony sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle, a 50 megapixel sensor with 5x optical zoom, and a 10 megapixel sensor with 10x zoom. The three Galaxy S24s also offer a satellite connection for emergencies, and they should enjoy the benefits of artificial intelligence features. The new Galaxy S24 Ultra may maintain a 10x lens and offer a new 5x zoom. Contrary to old information, new rumors indicated that the Galaxy S24 Ultra should maintain the 10x zoom lens, exchanging only 3x for a 5x zoom. Samsung is expected to officially announce the new Galaxy S24 lineup on January 17th next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.